My name's Ian Hill and I own this business. We're Smart Systems UK Limited, based here in Coventry. We manufacture and assemble some lighting equipment, fire alarm systems and emergency lighting, and deal through the trade. It's all commercial business, and we've got a network of distributors. We work with installers and end users. We've got a range of standard equipment that we make and also import, and we've got an ever-growing bespoke business where we make products up to customer requirements, specifically using LED technologies, which have really changed the lighting industry in the last couple of years. We use the internet all the time now. It's a strange industry, electrical contracting industry. They took a long time to move over onto it, and we still get a surprising number of orders and inquiries over by fax, but that is diminishing. So we use the internet constantly. All emails, all our purchasing now is online. And we also get customers requesting constantly for data sheets and images that we have to either encourage them to download off our website, and when they can't do that, we have to do it for them. So PDFs are flying backwards and forwards all over the country, all day really. And we also get our customers sending us huge drawings, DWG type PDF drawings that we work on and have to mark up and design and send back to them. That causes problems with speed particularly, so we do need help in that area. Technologies, a good example are the fire alarm systems. Fire systems are more sophisticated for our bigger client now. We are online directly into their systems, into their shops, so we don't wait for alarms to go off. We can actually get a secret alarm come to us, because the last thing a retail client wants to do is empty a shop. They really don't want that to happen. So the alarm goes off with us first, and we can interrogate the system and look over the shop and find out what the fault is and do something about it before we do need to possibly empty that shop as a last resort. So yeah, there are significant developments for us to embrace with the faster broadband. One of my top suppliers has got the third best products we could buy, but he's my top supplier because I know I can get really good comms with him and response, and he's a person. And a couple of the other guys that I've talked to you about, products are great, but there's no confidence with my business here because we don't know whether they're going to come back to us and whether they exist once they've left. I mean, more and more of the emails we get, at the bottom there's a Twitter reference and a Facebook reference. I occasionally go and have a look on there. There's rarely anything in it. I think they're putting it on because they think they should. I think they're labels. We don't particularly know, but I think that's all going to change. It's a generational thing. 10 years' time, it'll change again dramatically. Our business in general, particularly with the LED projects, which do tend to have pretty long pipelines, because people look at it and they cost it and they want a proper business case doing. They want us to do a cost-based analysis and a payback. Can take a lot of time, and I noted in the last 2 years those have had pretty long pipelines, and that's changed. People are now looking at it and they need to do it quite quickly. So that's encouraging. There's some money coming in now, whether that's because they're being charged with doing it, you've got to do it, rather than wouldn't it be nice to do it. But that's encouraging for us. But also our bigger suppliers are telling us that some of the large projects they've been looking at for the last couple of years are now happening. So from a personal point of view, I think there's some good activity in our sector. We get everything through on DWG, we CAD it up, we mark the drawings, we design the fire systems, and we ping them back again. At the end of the job, we have to print them. They have to be printed because they have to go into what's called an O&M file, and they have to go into somebody's system that they never ever look at. But we have to do that, and then we archive. We've got the files and files of archives. But yeah, everything now is done on DWG and PDF. Most people are trying to do them on sites and smartphones. And I get people who are looking on smartphones at drawings, trying to do stuff, or they're iPadding it and trying to do it, send it to us, and we can put it on a system and design it and back again. Also, the whole of our telephone systems are working now, and we've got an outworker that works on a VoIP system. We have huge problems with that, and apparently we've been told it's because of the speeds, the problems there. I mean, the whole of our mainframe system is connected also to our outworker, as is the phone system. They're like an extension of this business. It's very important to us.